Hi friends, welcome back to Cyclone TV India. So, Cyclone Nisarga is expected to make landfall today near Mumbai. So, this is the latest update. Mumbai on alert for Cyclone Nisarga to witness 110 km winds and 6 feet waves. Cyclone Nisarga, Mumbai's first in over a century, is likely to make landfall near the Maharashtra capital on Wednesday afternoon with wind speeds in excess of 100 km per hour. Cyclone Nisarga, the first such storm to threaten Mumbai in over a century, is barreling towards the Maharashtra and Gujarat coasts and is expected to make its landfall near Alibag, about 100 km from Mumbai, this afternoon. The IMD, India Meteorological Department, said Nisarga is likely to intensify into a severe cyclonic storm with heavy rainfall and wind speeds of 110 km per hour over the next 12 hours. Over 10,000 people, including some coronavirus patients, have been moved to safer locations. Mumbai, the city worst affected by the coronavirus outbreak with over 41,000 cases so far, its suburbs and neighboring districts are on high alert. Prohibitory orders have been placed in Mumbai, banning movement of people along the coast. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the Chief Ministers of Maharashtra and Gujarat and the Administrator of Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and assured all possible support. Here are the top 10 points in this big story. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Tuesday appealed to the people of Mumbai to stay indoors. The cyclone could be more severe than the ones the state has faced till now. Tomorrow, Wednesday and the day after are crucial in coastal areas. Activities which had resumed as part of easing of lockdown will be kept shut there for the next 2 days. People should remain alert. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had earlier in the day tweeted, took stock of the situation in the wake of cyclone conditions in parts of India's western coast, praying for everyone's well-being. I urge people to take all possible precautions and safety measures. The Prime Minister had tweeted to the Maharashtra Chief Minister regarding the cyclone situation. He assured all possible support and assistance from the centre. On Monday, Union Minister Amit Shah spoke to Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray to review preparations for the cyclone. Cyclone Nisarga is expected to have wind speeds in excess of 100 km per hour with gusts of 120 km per hour. The Met Department has also warned of 1 or 2 meter high, 3 to 6.5 feet storm surges inundating low-lying areas of Maharashtra on Tuesday afternoon. The IMD said it is very likely to move nearly northwards during the next few hours, recurve north-northeastwards and thereafter and cross North Maharashtra and adjoining South Gujarat coast between Harihareshwar and Daman, close to Alibag in Maharashtra's Raigad district on the afternoon on June 3. Over 30 NDRF, which is National Disaster Response Force teams, have been deployed in areas expected to be affected along Maharashtra and Gujarat coasts. One NDRF team consists of 45 personnel. Gujarat has asked for 5 additional teams. 15 will be stationed in the state by Tuesday evening, with 2 more on standby, NDRF Chief S.N. Pradhan said. 10 teams have been sent to Maharashtra. 10 teams have been sent to Maharashtra with 6 on standby. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's office has listed some of the measures being taken. These include evacuating those staying in thatched huts. Slum dwellers in the Mumbai metropolitan region, particularly those in low-lying areas, have been asked to evacuate. Non-COVID-19 hospitals have been instructed to prepare for any medical emergencies. The state is also taking measures in case of breaks in electricity supply and to secure the nuclear power plant in Palghar district. Teams are being prepared to tackle damage that may be caused by fallen trees, landslides and heavy rainfall, the CMO added. A control room has been established at the Maharashtra Secretariat building and will be operational around the clock. Instructions have also been given to the Army, Air Force, Navy and the IMD to ensure coordination. 3 NDRF teams in the state have been stationed in Mumbai, with 2 in Palghar and 1 each in Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. Around 20,000 people from 47 coastal villages in Gujarat's Valsad and Navsari districts are being evacuated. We have already identified shelter homes and started the evacuation of nearly 10,000 from 35 villages. R.R. Raval, also district collector, was quoted by news agency PTI. In neighboring Navsari district, the administration has begun evacuating around 10,200 people from 12 villages. Indian Coast Guard ships and planes have been deployed along the coast to warn fishermen and merchant ships to return to harbour. In two widely shared videos, Coast Guard sailors can be seen exhorting fishermen to return to shore. This is a warning of heavy rain and bad weather in this area. You are all asked to turn your boats towards the harbour as soon as possible. The sailor can be heard saying. Maharashtra is already battling COVID-19 outbreak of alarming proportions. There are over 70,000 confirmed cases in the state with 2362 deaths linked to the virus. Hospitals and law enforcement agencies, particularly in Mumbai, are already stretched. Cyclone Nisarga will be the second to strike India's coasts in less than 2 weeks. Last month, Cyclone Amphan, one of the worst storms to have formed over the Bay of Bengal in recent years, struck Bengal and parts of Odisha, killing nearly 100 people and affecting lakhs. Bengal Chief Minister estimated the damage done at rupees 1 lakh crore. These are the inputs from PTI. So keep watching our channel for the latest updates on the cyclone and be alert as the cyclone is going to make landfall today. Thanks for watching my video.